Hello friends, welcoming you all to AK Gardening Passion channel. Friends, today's video is on the shopping for my garden. Friends, if you not had subscribed AK Gardening Passion channel yet, then friends, subscribe AK Gardening Passion channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos on my channel. So friends, as this video is on some shopping for my garden, so displaying all things which I had shopped but publishing this video late. So friends, this one is adenium plant and the next plant is heliconia plant, which is a very beautiful plant which grows short and produces yellow color flowers. And the next plant, which is Texas sage plant. So this one is the Texas sage plant, and the next plant is mogra or jasmine plant. This variety of mogra plant produces flowers with dense petals and the flower size is also huge. And this is adenium with, just see its codex. So friends, let's see all the plants in detail. We were talking about the adenium plant. I have bought this adenium plant, which is a grafted variety, and this plant produces cream colored flowers with multiple layered petals, and the petals has beautiful strips of reddish pink on it. These plant and next plants are money plants. I have bought this money plant which has plain leaves with no variegation on it. I have money plant with green color but it has variegation of yellow color, as this plant is plain colored with yellow shade. And this plant, friends, just see, this plant has white variegation on it with green leaves, and both the money plants looks very beautiful. So friends, this is heliconia plant, which is very beautiful plant. The variety of heliconia, this variety of heliconia grows dwarf and produces yellow colored flowers. I have also a heliconia which produce long flowers like a vine, and here I am attaching the picture of the variety which I have, but this variety grows tall. And next one is jasmine or mogra plant, which has huge flowers. This is Texas sage plant, friends, which produces purplish or lavender colored flowers in summer seasons. Friends, also I have, so friends, these are plants, and also I have bought some of the plastic pots for my garden, so displaying these containers or pots as well. So these are shallow pots which I have bought. One is with green color and next one is of white color. These both pots or containers are shallow, so I have bought them. Friends, these pots looks very beautiful, and this pot does not have the drainage holes, but the company has provided provision to create holes as per our convenience. So I am planning to plant the water bamboo in green and in green container, and in white I am planning to plant heliconia plant, which I had bought, and in green I will plant water bamboo. So as both these plant does not require deep containers, so I have also bought these small containers which are nearly 600 ml of capacity, but I am going to use it for upcoming videos to display the proportion of soil mixture. And I have bought total 6 containers of size and 2 of each color, and I have bought these 2 white colored containers which are of 4.5 liters, and I am planning to plant these 2 money plants. These are 2 simple containers which are of 12 inch, and the company has already provided the drainage holes for it. And I am planning to plant Texas sage plant and mogra or jasmine plant in these 2 pots. And nextly I have bought these pots, which are total 10, and the size of these pots is 4 inch. I have bought with different colors, so as I am planning to plant the seedlings of adenium of different colors, so that I can identify the color of the seedlings. So friends, these are all the pots which I have bought for my garden, and since I am publishing this video late, I'll plant heliconia plant in this white container, and the diameter of this container is more, which is good for heliconia. And this one is to display the potting mix in the proportion of potting mix in the videos. So these are total 6 and these are total 2. In this I'll plant money plants which I had just bought, and which will look very beautiful and elegant. And friends, these 2 containers are simple, but I'll plant Texas sage and the jasmine or mogra plant which I had just bought. These are 12 inch and which are enough for those plants. And friends, I prefer the plastic pots in my terrace garden as they are lightweight and are readily available, as we are not getting much variety of clay pots in nearby our residence. So I am using the plastic pots, and also they are durable, friends. But the clay pots are best for gardens. And also I have bought some vermicompost with first bag is of 3 kg and second bag is of 5 kg. So total I have bought 8 kg. This is 5 kg bag and this one is 3 kg bag. So friends, that's all about the shopping for my garden. Friends, nextly I am attaching small clipping of the bird which has created a nest in my hanging pot. So just see friends and enjoy the beauty of this bird, as the bird is feeding its babies, and as birds are also important parts of our garden as they eat more of our insects which attack our plants. So friends, if liked this video, then give a big thumbs up and share and comment on the videos. But don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are watching the video for first time. Thanks for watching the videos. Keep watching the videos. Thank you.